Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to see about user input in Python. So first open Python IDE. Don't open just Python. Open IDE. Now click on File, New File. You will get this. Now what you should type is you can type anything. I'm typing name. Before we start, I'll just tell how to take user input. So how it works is you type name equals to opening bracket, closing bracket. Inside that you need to type input, and in front of input you need to put opening bracket, closing opening bracket, and automatically we need to put another closing bracket. Inside this you need to type some text. You ask something in that text. So whatever you want to ask, you can ask the user for their name. So I'm going to ask them for what is your name. You can put that, and what is your name, and I will close that and see if this input. Now whatever we do will be saved. So we need to save it before we start it. So I will put it as user input .py. This is we need to put it as .py. It may mistakenly do it as .pyw. So put it as .py and click save. Now it is saved. Now click run and run module. Now it should work. Now it is asking me what is your name. So I will type my name. I will just type it. For example, I will just type hi. Okay, nothing is coming. We don't know what. If just type name and see if it is stored as a variable. Yes, it has been stored as a variable. So that is user input. Okay, this is okay, but we need to do something with it. So now we'll make a very simple calculator app. So you can ask. So for that, I will just delete all of this. So delete all of this, and we can put type. We'll be only doing addition in this calculator app, not everything. That will take some more time. Type your first number, and you can put this thing and this. Type your first number, and instead of name we'll change the name of this. So instead of from name of this variable to a, and then put b, and b equals to, we can just do copy paste. Just select all of this. Wait a minute, I'm not selecting properly for me. So wait a minute. Okay, it's selected. Copy. Now we can paste it. Yes, it has been pasted. Now we can just put it as first number. Not first number, it is the second number. Okay. Now we can make a multiplication. You can do whatever you want now. So I'm going to, if you can make it as a multiplication, addition, or subtraction app. You can't do it as subtraction. Sorry, you can do multiplication, addition, subtraction. You can do subtraction, division. You can do all four of these operations in Python. So now we can do it. Now we will just make it as a calculator for addition. So C equals to A plus B, and we can just put it as print the answer is, I didn't put the speech marks, so we'll just add that. So quickly add that. Finish adding that. The answer is, and this and this, and it will be C. So we can save it. Click on run module. Oops, that is my mistake. C won't come there. To be comma and C. I forgot to put the comma. Now if I run the module, it should work. Type your first number. I'll add 56. My first number. Second number 4. Answer is 564. Oh, now we found a bug in our program. This is the first bug we encountered. The mistake is it is being stored as text, but it is numbers. So just putting those text together, which is not we want. We want to add the numbers. So this is very simple bug to fix. Just put int in front of it, and int in front of it. Int means whatever is coming next is not words. It is a number. So to do addition properly. So now save, run, and run module. Now it should work. Let's try it. They just put 3 plus 6, and this answer is 9. It's working. They can do this how much ever times you want. And if you ever want to change it to multiplication, it's very easy. All we have to do is just change the plus symbol to a multiplication symbol. Sorry, I had num lock on. Now it's a multiplication symbol. Save, run module, and let's do 2 times 6. Answer is 12. Now we can also do division like that. So just put the division symbol. Save, run module. Type your first number. Okay, we will do 25 divided by 5. The answer is 5.0. That's right. Now that is division. And finally, subtraction. To finish the video. So save, run module, type your first number. So we subtract 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. So our program is working. If you want, you can, for example, you can make it a bit harder. You can add a new variable as a D, and in D you can put an option. You can tell the user to select what if they want addition, multiplication, division, or subtraction. They can make the program a bit more complicated, but we won't be looking at that in video. Maybe we can do that in a future video. So that's it for this video. Bye. See you in the next video.